you ain't got no department manager riding your motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? Or you ain't got no store manager giving you a hard time, gotta whoop their ass or something. It's an easy little job. Keep your head down, pop your earphones in, help a couple old ass ladies, find the medicine and shit. You good to go. So I say, hey, apply to your Walmart. You're gonna make you somewhere between 15, 20 an hour. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta deal with these trash ass customers. But me, I don't deal with bosses no more. I'm my own boss. I've been a boss. I just had to take that leap and say, look, I can't have nobody telling me how I get paid. Because then I might have to fight them, and I don't want to do that. I like not being in jail. Therefore, I'm cool on that W-2 shit. Because they want you to make a little bit of money and using up a lot of your time, and I'm not with that. I need to make lots of money in a little bit of time, and they can't provide that for me. But that's not to say that it ain't gonna work for you. You can use that to do what you need to do in the meantime, in between time. I'm 33. I've been working since I was 14 years old at W-2s. I went and got my work permit from my school. It was sophomore year at high school. As soon as I turned old enough, right in that office, give me that work permit. I went right to Six Flags St. Louis. They had a charter bus that take you from St. Louis all the way out to Eureka, Missouri. Man, I was on that mug every day, going to work at the age of 14, because I said, no, I'm about to go get me some J's. These niggas in my school got J's on. Damn it, I need some J's. So I got to go get me a job at Six Flags in the summertime. So when September hit, I'm rocking me some J's. And that's what you gotta do. So look, I done did that, and I appreciate that. I appreciate going through the workforce, but I'm done with that shit. Look, cause I just know who I am. And I'm gonna keep it as simple as that. So look, we've been sitting right here for a second, guys. We got to move because this ain't the move right here. I got to get back buy some better merchants, more better merchants. Shout out to Lynn for that membership to the channel. Thank you. Look, if there's anything you ever need, with these gig apps, I know you probably got Walmart Spark on lock. You don't need my help with that. But what about YouTube? If you need some help with YouTube, look, you got access to your boy FDA. Now hit me up on the email and we can get that correspondence going, because I want to offer myself to folks who want to grow in this YouTube space, because not only am I doing quite good, quite successful at growing this channel, I'm able to help other folks. And we're not going to speak on who I've helped right now, but best believe there are multiple content creators out there right now who may have been stuck or needed some direction at a certain point, and your boy has helped them gain over 2,000 subscribers. You better believe that. And it's like at least what? It's 3 folks who I done help up their subscriber count by 2,000 subscribers, and I'm proud of that. And I ain't got no money from it either. I'm just happy to see their channel keep on growing. So if you need some of that, hit me up, because I got you. I got you. We gotta turn this AC on. It's getting hot. What I would like though is to actually make a couple dollars while I'm on this live stream. We've been live for what, 48 minutes, and I done made $2. It got me messed up. I'd rather make $2 than drive hella far away though, looking all crazy and shit. Here we go. Nope, $12.02 for 22.2 miles. Lord, baby Jesus in a blanket. That is a 44-mile round trip. 44-mile round trip. This order has 1-to-4 miles to money ratio. Not 4-to-1 miles to money ratio. 1-to-4. Never take an order that has 1-to-4 miles to money ratio. For every $1 you are getting paid, you are driving 4 miles. Why would you drive 4 miles 4 times for $4? You should never do that. $6.21 for 5.3 miles. At least the orders is coming through now, because that spot I was sitting in right there, I was getting nothing. Look at this, $6, 5 miles. Again, Uber Eats customers are trash. If you're an Uber Eats customer and you happen to think that there's a slight possibility that you may be trash, you might be right. Because if you are getting any kind of negative feeling from the words that I'm saying, from the orders that I'm showing you, you probably trash. I'm just giving you a little cheat sheet so you can check off like, damn, am I trash? I feel a little trashy, but I don't know. Well, I do place orders from 10 miles away. Well, I don't really like what this black man is saying about me placing these orders, and I do feel like I shouldn't be forced to tip. You might be trash.